yes, today was not only informative, it was the beloved thing for me that our university, Superior University, arranged it. And General Rao graced us with his presence and answered all the questions that we were all wanting to hear.
एज टुगेदर वो यूनिटी, फेथ और डिसिप्लिन के साथ हम चल के हम दुनिया को हमेशा ये बता सकते हैं कि ऐसा है पाकिस्तान।